Have you ever wondered if a machine could pen a riveting screenplay or an engaging blog post? Welcome to the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence, or AI, and script writing. This isn't the realm of science fiction anymore, but a tangible reality. AI has started to infiltrate the world of script writing, not to replace us, but to augment our capabilities. You see, AI is a collection of advanced algorithms and computational models that can mimic human intelligence. It's capable of learning, understanding context, and producing high-quality content. A well-programmed AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and transform those patterns into a coherent narrative. It's like having a tireless writer who can churn out scripts around the clock. However, one might ask, can AI truly understand the nuances of human emotion, the subtleties of dramatic tension, or the complexity of a well-crafted plot twist? The question isn't whether AI can write, but rather, how does it accomplish such a complex task? To understand how AI writes scripts, it's crucial to comprehend the principles of machine learning. Essentially, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to recognize different shapes. You show them a variety of objects, and over time, they start to understand the patterns and can identify the shapes on their own. In the context of script writing, AI employs a similar approach, but on a much grander scale. It uses a technique known as natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is a field of AI that enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. So when AI is given a task to write a script, it doesn't just spit out random words. Instead, it uses NLP to analyze thousands, if not millions, of scripts, learning the patterns, structures, and nuances that make a script engaging and coherent. AI is like an attentive student, absorbing every detail from the scripts it reads. It learns how characters are developed, how dialogues are structured, and how plots are woven. It observes the rhythm of the narrative, the pacing of the scenes, and the subtle art of creating suspense or evoking emotions. All of these learnings are then stored in its memory, ready to be used when it's time to create a new script. But here's where it gets interesting. AI doesn't just regurgitate what it's learned. Instead, it uses these learnings to generate original content. It can create new characters, conceive unique dialogues, and even weave intriguing plots that have never been seen before. It does this by identifying patterns in the data it has analyzed and applying these patterns in novel ways. In essence, AI is like a writer with an eidetic memory and an infinite capacity for learning. It can consume more scripts in a week than a human could in a lifetime, and it can use this knowledge to create new, original content. So AI doesn't just mimic human writing, it learns, adapts, and generates unique content. While the integration of AI into script writing opens up a world of possibilities, it's not without its challenges. Let's delve into the pros and cons. Starting with the advantages, AI brings speed and efficiency to the table, capable of producing scripts at a pace that far outstrips human capability. It's like having an army of writers at your disposal, tirelessly working around the clock. This scalability allows for a massive amount of content generation in a fraction of the time it would take a human team. But it's not all sunshine and roses. AI, despite its impressive capabilities, still lacks the human touch. Creativity and emotional depth, the very heart of storytelling, often fall short in AI-generated scripts. They may get the structure right, but the nuances, the subtle humor, the emotional beats that tug at our heartstrings are often missing. AI struggles to understand and replicate the complexity and unpredictability of human emotions. Moreover, there's the risk of homogeneity. If everyone uses the same AI tool, we might end up with a sea of similar-sounding scripts, lacking in diversity and originality. Despite its limitations, the potential of AI in script writing is undeniable, and it's a field that's only going to grow. As we continue to refine and advance AI technologies, who knows what the future holds? The next Shakespeare could very well be a supercomputer. So, what does the future hold for AI in script writing? In the years ahead, we can anticipate AI tools becoming an essential part of every scriptwriter's toolkit. As AI continues to evolve, it could potentially offer more nuanced character development, intricate plot lines, and even predict audience reactions. Imagine an AI capable of crafting a script that resonates with every viewer. Regardless of the future, one thing is certain: AI has forever changed the landscape of script writing.